Tom Vargas and Barry Eldridge here with another Factory Entertainment unboxing video. Today we'll be taking an in-depth look at our Men in Black limited edition prop replica of the Standard Issue Agent Sidearm, or as fans affectionately refer to it as, the J2. The limited edition piece we'll be showing in this video is shipping now and available to order directly at our website at www.factoryent.com. Be sure to check out the link in the section below for even more information. Everything you see in this video is what you'll receive when you order this item. After opening the outer cardboard box, you'll notice a document that states this piece is an officially licensed replica, followed by our detailed packaging. The piece is packed tightly and secured by polyfoam. You'll notice the certificate of authenticity and instructions, where you'll also find the plaque that attaches to the display base. Opening the outer polyfoam cover reveals the display base and case, which are nicely protected by multiple sheets of packing materials. Here is the display base, which features two acrylic supports to rest the J2 on. The replica itself is located in a sealed protected polyfoam cover safely inside the acrylic cover. Packed along with the prop's credentials, we've included a cloth for polishing to keep your sidearm nice and clean. Once the protective packaging is opened, you'll notice the J2 is secured by packing materials, followed by two batteries, which are included. Loading the batteries is easy. Simply remove the compartment or clip at the butt of the gun as seen here. Load them back in as seen, and you're ready for some serious firepower. Audio sound effects include power-up and weapon firing sounds. Light effects include LED barrel illumination, a firing flash, and a red and green safety indicator. Let's see it in action and listen to it too. First with the safety on, and then off, followed by a rapid-fire trigger. As you can see, I wasn't kidding when I said this thing lights up like a Christmas tree. We also have an elite version which features a finish that seeks to replicate the look of some of the props as used in filming Men in Black. Here are both of them side by side. We hope that you enjoyed our unboxing video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our links below for even more information.